Welcome everyone. We are talking about Mossad, Israeli intelligence agency. Mossad, Mossad also spelled as Mossad. In full name, it's Mossad Markazi Li Modin Uli Tafikidim Mudim. This is nothing but a Hebrew word, Central Institute for Intelligence and Special Operations. One of the three major intelligence organizations of Israel, along with Amman military intelligence and Shin Bet internal security. The Mossad is concerned with the foreign intelligence gathering, intelligence analysis, and covert operations. Well, it formally established in December 1949 as the Institute for Coordination. The Mossad was the successor to the intelligence arm of Haganah. You'd be knowing about this, the Jewish military force in Palestine during the British Mandate period. Reuven Siloha, who had been involved in special operations and secret diplomacy during the pre-state period, served as the first director of Mossad. Bureaucratic conflicts, that time hampered the new agency in its early days. It took them more than 4 years for the agency to become operational, and it suffered an early embarrassment in 1951 when an Israeli spicy ring in Baghdad was exposed and intelligence officers were arrested. Siloha retired in 1952 and was replaced by Isser Harel, who had previously served as the head of Shin Bet. Harel was credited with the building the Mossad into a highly professional organization capable of conducting operations around the world during his 11 years of tenure. Would you believe that? 1952 to 1963, one high profile success, the capture in 1960 of a former Nazi, Adolf Eichmann, in Argentina by a Mossad team, and his exfiltration to Israel to stand trial for war crimes which they have done for Israelis, demonstrated the agency's proficiency, confidence in high-risk operations. The Mossad maintains numerous Israeli secret agents in Arabs, which is currently because they are surrounded with enemies and other nations. The most famous of these were Eli Cohen, an Egyptian-born Jew who infiltrated the highest rank of Syrian government by posing as a Syrian businessman. Before becoming discovered and executed in 1965, the Mossad and its operatives have carried out undercover operations against enemies of Israel and former Nazi war criminals living abroad. Mossad agents tracked down and assassinated the Arab guerrilla leaders responsible for massacre of Israeli athletes that happened in 1972 Munich Olympic Games, and the Mossad also been linked with Israelis' assassinations of Palestine leader in Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa. The first thought which comes of Munich 1972 Athletic Festival that held and took place in August, somewhere in 26th September 1972. That was the date, and that was the deadliest terrorist attack, Black September at 1972, we can say, which has happened for Olympics. The tragedy struck, Olympics in Munich when 8 Palestinian terrorists invaded the Olympic Village in September 5th and killed 2 members of Israeli team. 9 other Israelis were held hostage as the terrorists bargained for release of 200 Palestinian prisoners in Israel. All the hostages, 5 of these captures and a West German policeman were slammed in a failed rescue attempt. The tragedy brought the games to a halt and cast long shadow over what had been theretofore a memorially joyful games. All competition was suspended for a day while a memorial service for the victims was conducted at Olympic Stadium. And it didn't stop there. International Olympic Committee President Avery Brinket decision to continue the games after the attack was widely criticized. In subsequent Olympics, increased security measures in the Olympic villages and competitions. Venues protected athletes, but also diminished the festive and open atmosphere that is heart of Olympics. I'll talk about those more than 700,000 athletes from 122 countries participated. The track and field competition was made by protest over equipment, scheduling problems, and incident on the track. Soviet sprinter Valery Warzov won both the 100 and 200 meters run when two of the chief competitors using a schedule with out of date starting missing their heats. Lassie Byron of Finland captured the gold medal in 5,000 and 10,000 meters. This all happened, but the sad part was that there was an attack on Israeli Olympics. So now we understand why Mossad, Israeli secret intelligence service, is required for the country which has struggled so much, and for the great effort which has been done by Mossad. My kudos and my appreciation to Mossad for its great effort towards their country and the work done by them. Thank you. Signing off. Please, if you like my content, if you like what I talk, please do subscribe this channel, like, and see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much.